Roman and I arrived in Cayo Coco, Cuba. We were so delighted to have left the chilly weather in Canada behind, and eager for the adventure that is ahead of us, here in Cayo Coco and Cayo Guillermo. Our first destination was supposed to be Memories Caribe Beach Resort, but we accidentally boarded the wrong bus and ended up at Memories Flamenco Beach Resort. Thankfully, it was only a short 5-minute bus ride to the correct resort. After spending a day at the resort, we realized that we weren't enjoying our stay as much as we had hoped, so we decided to do the unthinkable and switch resorts, which came with an additional cost. I'll give more information about the switch and cost in my next video, where you'll also meet our Sunwing rep. Before we leave, let's take a look at what we'll be leaving behind. Welcome to Memories Caribe Beach Resort. We took a double-decker bus costing $5 Canadian each. The double-decker bus could be a great option for visitors who want to see as much of the island as possible in a short amount of time, or for those who want to take in the island's natural beauty without having to walk or bike long distances. The upper deck of the bus proved to be an ideal vantage point for taking in the breathtaking panoramic views, capturing picturesque photographs, and fully immersing in the stunning scenery of the island, all while being comfortably transported to various parts of the island. Kitesurfing in Cayo Coco is a must-try adventure. Ideal weather, reliable winds, and stunning beaches make it a popular spot for kitesurfers. The island offers kitesurfing spots for all skill levels, with schools and rental shops available for beginners. As we journeyed along what seems to be an endless road, the driver made a decisive stop at a picturesque location known as Laguna Flamingoes. This idyllic spot was teeming with an array of vibrant and majestic flamingos, each one displaying a kaleidoscope of hues and colors. The striking beauty of these magnificent birds was truly breathtaking, and we all couldn't resist the urge to capture this moment through the lens of our cameras. The scenery that surrounded us was nothing short of spectacular, with lush greenery and serene waters providing the perfect backdrop for our photographic endeavor. The Laguna Flamingos was a true natural wonder, and I felt incredibly privileged to have had the opportunity to witness such a breathtaking spectacle. As we journey along the way, we stop at various all-inclusive hotels, admiring the stunning views of the water and the picturesque surroundings. Taking the opportunity to fully immerse myself in the beauty of the surroundings and by making the most of our journey. We finally reached our destination, the Gran, Muthu, Rainbow Hotel. A luxurious 5-star beach resort here in Cayo Guillermo. It exceeded our expectations with its modern amenities and activities. We spent our days lounging by the pool, swimming in the crystal clear waters, and exploring the surrounding areas. The journey to Cuba is becoming a memorable and thrilling adventure. The beach and water were breathtaking, and our hotel was the perfect place to relax and unwind. Stay tuned for a tour of the resort.